AJ Mura, Megan V, and
Joseph Elizalde siya.
Joseph Elizalde. Yes, pogi naman talaga naman. And so beautiful.
At namin.
Thank you.
Hardworking nga tayo.
Please join us here on the stage. On the stage, no?
On stage. Ayan si AJ, si Joseph, and Megan.
Mag-hi naman kayo sa lahat ng tao nandito ngayon.
Hi, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa binigyan ng oras para mapanood itong Ulan, the movie. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo.
Megan?
Yes po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta at sumuporta. Sana supportahan po ang movie Ulan. Thank you.
And Joseph?
Yes, good evening sa lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito at sa pagsuporta ng Ulan. Huwag niyo po
James. Hi, Sam. Bumati naman kayo sa kanila, James and Sam.
Good evening, everyone. Excited ba kayo? Thank you so much for supporting me lang. Thank you so much, guys.
Good evening, everybody. Maraming salamat. I'm so excited to watch the movie. Enjoy!
Yes, thank you so much, James and Sam. Of course, James, maraming salamat kasi nandito ka to support the lead para sa movie na Ulan. Yun lang. Mabigilan. Thank you so much, James. Ayaw ko na kayong magurin pa. Enjoy the movie, James and Sam. Thank you. Okay, before anything else, isang pictorial muna dyan. Isang picture. Okay? Ayun pala, I would like to congratulate you guys. Super grabe po ang support nila sa Ulan. Marco, ano masasabi mo? Grabe, oh.
Yes, maraming salamat sa lahat ng dito. And sana po magustuhan yung movie namin and sabihin sa lahat ng mga kapatid nyo, sa family nyo, about our movie. And sana magustuhan nyo po lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Of course, Direct Irene Villamor, ano pong masasabi nyo? Grabe po yung support na sa movie Ulan. Sobra.
Maraming salamat po. Sana po supportan niyo yung movie. Sana manood kayo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Direct. And of course, our Making Media Princess, Miss Nadine Lustren.
Hello, good evening. Gusto ko lang Sobrang excited na po kami na makita niyo ang Ulan. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Marco Bumabaw, Direct Irene Villamor, and of course, Miss Nadine Lustren. Ayan, picture lang po tayo dito muna. Ayan. Oh my God! Original movie. Thank you so much, Ayala Malls Trinoma and Ayala Malls Cinemas. Thank you guys! March 30, don't forget.
Your videos, don't forget to use the hashtag Ulan Premiere.
Ma'am, doon na po
You would also like to
babalik na po kayo sa
follow our
Sir Jeff Revio, Head of Content for Hope Philippines, and Christina Rosal, Hope Head of Marketing.
Picture lang yan. Publicity.
Alright, ngayon naman, hindi naman tayo ng message from our cast and of course, our director. So direct, po natin, message po for everyone.
Nadine.
Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Sana manood kayo ng may bayad sa Wednesday.
Yes, sa lahat po na nandito, thank you so much for coming. And I hope you guys like our movie and masabi nyo sa mga friends and sa family nyo to watch our movie on March 13 na po yan. So yun, thank you po.
And of course, Nadine.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you all for coming. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo po yung film. Thank you.
And syempre, Sir Jeff, please nalit meron po kayong message din syempre for everyone here.
So we're inviting everybody to support this movie. This is the first ever collaboration of folk